So I started not one, but actually 2 faceless YouTube channels, and in less than 30 days had some crazy results. Now, typically when you think of YouTube, you think of a grind, you think of having to make millions and millions of videos and I have no idea what to do. Well, with just 4 videos on each of these channels, I was able to go ahead and get over 200,000 views, as well as achieve monetization status on YouTube. And I also want to say that this is very important. This does not involve shorts. We are not talking about fake views here. These are real views on YouTube that are actually monetizable and can make you a full-time income. Now, real quickly, if you guys aren't familiar with me, my name is Caden. Previously used to be a gaming YouTuber, and now like to make videos, help people grow their YouTube channels, build, automated YouTube channels, cash cow type channels, or if you want to build an actual personal brand in a specific niche, stuff like that. So if you guys want to, leave a like, subscribe, but let's dive into this first channel that I want to go ahead and break down to you guys the exact strategy I used to go with 4 videos from 0 to 1,000 subs monetized, as well as over 200,000 views in that time frame. All right, guys, so here we are on this YouTube channel, and right here, I'll actually go ahead and refresh real quick, just so you guys know we are legit here. I'm not trying to show you guys or fool you guys with anything. Right now, we actually just hit over the 1,000 sub milestone. That was actually the most difficult part of this channel, is getting over 1,000 subs, because if you guys didn't know, for YouTube monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch time hours on your channel, which is right here, that stat, and we have over 10,000. So we actually crushed the watch time, and it's usually the inverse for people. Watch time tends to be the most difficult part, and then subs are the easy part, but this channel is a little bit more unique. And then right here, views, it says 197,000, but I'll explain. It's over 200,000, trust me. So if we head over to the analytics section right here, and I'm not going to hide anything. If you guys want to find this channel, go ahead. This is a pretty much fully automated channel. And if you guys see right here, immediately off the rip, if we go ahead and actually change to the last 90 days, 210,000 views, 10,400 watch hours, and then 1,000 subscribers. So you guys kind of see everything right here, the exact strategy that I was using. And I'm going to go over the specific strategy I would do to start a channel. But yeah, the very basics of this, we achieved monetization. And if we take a look at the content right here, I actually only posted 4 long form videos. Right here, I posted one, then I posted another one right here, and then I posted another one right here. I did post a 4th one right here. This one, you're going to notice, actually only had about 900 views. So realistically, the goals that I got were it only took 3 videos. And this 4th video, or the video that got not a lot amount of views, was supposed to be more targeted towards like the search niche. Like it was going to be a searchable video that people could find. So it's a little bit more meta. But yeah, for the general basics of this, it really only took 3 videos, but technically 4 long form videos. Now, the first thing you're going to go ahead and actually notice with this is that I actually went ahead and did utilize shorts. I think shorts, whenever YouTube adds a feature to like YouTube, you need to use those features they use. And so many people I see create like 3rd, 4th channels for their shorts. You actually want to do shorts if you're starting a brand new channel, whether it's automated YouTube channel, you're trying to build a cash cow channel, or you're trying to start a brand here, like a specific channel in a niche like this. You're gonna actually want to utilize shorts, because these shorts right now off the rip are gonna go ahead and build that very, very surface level foundation for your channel. And so you'll notice right here, a lot of these shorts got like 4,000 views, 4,000 views, 2,000 views, and then 1,000. The shorts actually didn't really get that many views, but they built a tiny foundation, which is all I want. I want these shorts to target a couple people in the niche I want to watch my videos, and that's about it, because the people that will interact with these shorts will then get retargeted with my long form content. So you're essentially building out a funnel on your channel, very simple and very basic, and that's exactly what I did here. So I've posted 2 shorts right here, and then I came up with my first concept for a video. And now obviously video concepts and ideas, you're gonna have to do your own research on that. I knew this video would do well in the niche I was approaching, so did that right here. And then it actually, if you take a look specifically at this video right here, it took a while for it to go ahead and start getting the ball rolling. I think in the first day it had 66 views, then it tripled to 180, then it, 10 times to 1,000. So it took some time to build to that point, but then the ball really started rolling. It slowed down a little. It kind of just slowly built for, a couple days here, about a week. And then about 2 weeks later, the video popped off. And that's what we like to see. And you're going to even notice metrics wise on these videos, these are nothing crazy. These are like 3-minute AVDs on 13-minute videos. The drop off on this is horrible. These videos are not optimized at all. I got to say, these are probably some of the, this video, this channel is strictly just for testing purposes, and it was insane. I'm kind of surprised at these videos because these videos are not very well edited at all. These are very, like, anyone can make these type of videos. They're super basic, super simple, and the fact that you know this channel is getting 2 or 10,000 views in the last 48 hours and all this other metric stuff, it's kind of crazy. Now, obviously, the biggest question that you guys might have is the actual revenue generated. And obviously, my channel, if we take a look here, it's currently in process to go ahead and get this channel monetized. It takes time for it to get reviewed, but technically speaking, I already know the rates that they would pay out in this niche for us. Like, I know what the revenue or what the RPM would be in this niche. And so on 200,000 views, we could actually go ahead and assume that this niche will pay out between $2.50 and $3.50 for every 1,000 views we get. And so if we do some quick basic math right here, we'll do 210,000 right here divided by 1,000. Okay, just like that. So that gets you 210. And then we're just gonna go ahead and do the median at $3 right there. And so technically speaking, this channel with the views we got would have generated $630. And that's with 3 videos. So that means each video we're making like $210 a video. And that was after that was only like a couple videos made. And the thing is, with this channel, we are going to be going ahead and start really mass producing and mass scaling the videos, so they're a lot more frequent. I was posting like once every 2 weeks prior to this, and so with that right there, yeah, we're going to be massively scaling this channel. This channel, I think I could probably get it to 2 to 3 million views a month, which in turn turns into like $6,000 to $8,000 in revenue a month on this one channel right here. And obviously, the big thing with me is I like to diversify. Right now, I think I'm operating a total of 6 channels. I think 6 right now, maybe 7. And I also forgot to mention that I said I did 2 of these channels. Yeah, here's another channel. I did this channel like a month before, 150,000 views. This one didn't get quite to 1,000 subscribers, but basically same metrics and watch time and all that. So just the same kind of proof of concept that this stuff works. So yeah, overall, that is pretty much my basic strategy and how I started faceless YouTube channels to prove that's not luck. If you approach a YouTube channel with a strong strategy, a foundation, and actually know the type of content that the audience wants to watch, it really is not hard to blow up a YouTube channel and immediately start making money from it. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the basic strategy that I'm going over in today's video. Real quickly, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you guys have any YouTube questions down below, just leave a comment down below. I will try to get to them. But thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.